when we have been brought up, the important thing was the IQ. Emotions were not important. Feelings were not important. When we sat on the dinner table, when we were sitting with our parents, we had to remember all the countries, we could say, we could talk about all the intelligent things, but we could not really talk about feelings. Or even if we said something, our parents necessarily did not validate it for us. It was not okay if you were feeling sad someday. It was really not okay if you were feeling angry sometimes. So, just as I said that we need to look at our stress, our feelings, our emotions need to be seen. When we see it, when we validate it, emotions are like energy, they start passing. Their nature is to flow, it'll pass. If you just see right now, I'm feeling sad, there is an underlying need. Maybe there was a need which was not met with, hence you were feeling sad. But when you see it, it will slowly start shifting. The happiness, the joy is really our innate state. That will start coming once we are able to really feel whatever that we are feeling authentically. Sometimes when people talk about happiness quotient, when we feel that, oh, now I have to be happy. There was one job, I have to be intelligent. Now the next in thing is I have to be happy. So people start faking happiness. People start trying to be this positive thinking beings, right? A lot of this toxic positive thinking is really bad. It's like, imagine there is sadness within and then you're trying to cover up. Let's watch something nice. Let's create some entertainment, some excitement, and let's bring the happiness. No, that's not really the happiness. So happiness, if I could actually replace it, I would replace it with joy. So many times when we say I'm happy, because as human beings, we've associated it with, oh, I'm feeling so happy. I got my new car today. I got a new job. I'm feeling so happy. So many times we've associated it with something happening outside. I got this, then I felt happy. So joy is a much more deeper, beautiful word. So that is what we really are looking at, not a more superficial thing, not really covering up whatever we may be feeling deeply. So many times we have our own ways of covering up.